Hello friends, welcome to techt channel. In this video, how can we deactivate the request message? So watch the video till the end and subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell. Let's go. Step 1, open an Instagram account. Step 2, click your profile and click setting activity. Okay, click message and history replies. Okay, and click message controls. After message controls, you can see change setting. Okay, for example, your followers on Instagram, message request, don't receive request. Click update setting. Easy. You can choose the options according to your personal opinion. What is, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Take on tech.